Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the reporter number 4. So, can we all read po yung problem?
And a common ratio of 1 is the sum of infinite geometric series.
So, ang hinahanap po dyan is yung sum ng infinite geometric series. Ang formula natin is S equals A sub 1 over 1 minus R. Our given will be A sub 1 equals 8 and our common ratio is 1 half. And kapag sinubstitute natin siya into formula, S equals 8 over 1 minus 0.5. And then, kaya natin nakuha yung 0.5 kasi yung equivalent ng 1 half is 0.5. And after that, S equals 8 divided by 0.5, our final answer will be S equals 16. You can check it po sa calculator na yung correct. Thank you, guys.